Lesson 25, How to use dynamic text. Use dynamic text if you have only one line of text. Use dynamic text to type the word Malaysia, giving it a height of 50 mm. Okay, that's what we are going to do. So I'm using the master drawing taken from the CD, and also it was originally in layer outline, and I'm changing my layer to layer text. Okay, so step 1 is type DT and press enter. DT is for dynamic text. That's the one I'm going to use. So I'm taking DT, enter. AutoCAD asks me for a start point. I click anywhere on the screen, maybe a little lower, and then it asks me for the height. I'm going to take 50, enter, and then it asks me for the rotation angle. Since there's no rotation angle, I'm just going to press enter. Now I can type the word Malaysia. I use my cap lock, MALAYSIA, and after you have finished, press enter, enter. Yes, there you have Malaysia. Okay, why don't you try the exercise given on the page, where you use dynamic text and a height of 100 mm and type the word Kuala Lumpur, and after that you can type the word list of drawings using a height of 20 mm.